of that fluking, then I fucking beat it.
Okay. And then you
Wait, first
fluked it from
round.
5-5. Okay.
Two in a row on the actual level. Two in a row on the actual level.
Oh, so you nerfed
Okay.
it, okay.
Yeah, I'm Jesse.
Yeah, okay, you're Jesse. You're Jesse.
Okay, I died.
Oh shit.
I got 7. See, this is definitely my first attempt. I wanna get one drop attempt. And then I'm just gonna fucking insta-complete on this guy.
Ah.
Alright, 26. I beat it.
Let's go.
Let's
GG's.
go. This level, it's not even that bad.
Nope, it's not. That's pretty.
It's not even that bad. It's just that bad.
It's alright. Okay. Getting 4. I beat it. Awesome.
Bro, stop.
What?
Awesome. I beat the level.
Awesome.
Shotgun. Alright, that took
So
like 20 minutes.
Technically, I have.
Bro. That was free. What the hell?
Technically, I have 100.